Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying eligibility and removing immediate obstacles. Check account standing for strikes and enable two-step authentication. This reduces review delays. Next, confirm you meet thresholds: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. While you're at it, audit recent uploads for copyright, reused content, or advertiser-unfriendly material. Then either edit or remove high-risk videos. Keep a secure export of video files and metadata to support appeals later, and make sure to note timestamps of problematic content. Once the basics are fixed, perform a systematic policy audit. Compare each video to YouTube's reuse, community, copyright, and advertiser policies to find precise violations. If content is reused, add clear original commentary or transformative elements. If copyright issues exist, replace or license audio and clips, or remove them entirely. For borderline cases, add on-screen context and timestamps that explain purpose and intent. Document every edit and keep version history, so you can show reviewers exactly what changed and why. Now file a precise appeal. Outline the problem, cite the relevant policy language, and attach evidence such as licenses, timestamps, or before and after clips. Keep the message concise and factual. Clarity speeds review. After submitting, monitor Creator Studio for status updates and engage creator support if delays occur. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Iterate by making additional edits, gathering viewer engagement and metadata to show intent, and escalate through Google's policy channels or a designated partner manager when available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.